So I'm gonna give you a couple easy exercises to do. The first one is about creating a loop that will display 0 to 100, and the second one the opposite, so 100 to 0. Are you ready? Okay then. Hope you managed to do it. Now we will do a correction. Okay, so for in between parentheses int I equals to 0, semicolon I less or equal to 100, semicolon I plus plus, and then we display I, and we run the program. It indeed displays 0 to 100, but we can also put int I equals to 0 above the for. It works as well. As we can see here. Now we will do the second exercise. I will comment the first loop. And I will change the variable int to 100. And do the second for. So for between parentheses, semicolon, I greater or equal to 0, semicolon, I minus minus, so we decrement I, and we display the variable I. Finally, we run the program. And as we can see here, we have from 100 to 0. It was all for this lesson. As you could see, it was very easy to do. In the next video, we will see the while loop and then the do while loop. See you next video.